Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sy'Monne and today's video is going to be an update on how I maintain my hair while I have it straightened and how I fight humidity along the way. I have figured out a trick. If you guys want to go ahead and see that, follow me into the video and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. All those links will be down below and I will see you guys in the video. Okay, so I've already done everything else. I've straightened it, did all the anti-humidity, or I'm sorry, not anti-humidity, anti-heat protection, all of that. And I'll show you guys the products that I use. But also go ahead and check out my other video that I did to go ahead and see all of that, because I'm just going to show you guys the products and I'll actually show you using them, except for two of them. So this is the last step that I do. I go ahead and I mix the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine with the hairspray. So I pump this into my hand first, about 1 or 2 pumps. We'll spray the anti-humidity hairspray. I'm gonna mix it together. So I had told you guys this is what I figured out. I wrote this in the bio of my original video that I did on this. But I decided I want to come on and show you guys because my hair turns out way better. It still turned out good in the other video, but this helps it last longer for sure. So I mix it because the hairspray is wet, so you don't want to put wet on your hair because it'll curl it up. So I mix it in with the serum so that it's just serum and not any liquid. And I just go over my hair like so. I like to take the ends and wipe them in between my fingers to get the excess off and also to get my ends nice and moisturized. So that's honestly probably good, but I'm gonna do it one more time just to make sure. I'm gonna just like one pump. I think I have discovered the trick on how to kick humidity in the butt when I am straightening my hair, because when you live in Texas or pretty much anywhere humid, straightening your hair can be kind of challenging or just pointless really, because it'll just frizz up, you know. And I didn't have any non-liquid anti-humidity products, so I came up with this on the spot. I was like, okay, I wonder if I could just try mixing it and then the oil will take over and it'll be okay to put on my hair, and then I'll still get the benefits of having the anti-humidity and the 24-hour hold. This has natural bamboo extract and it is number 4 on a scale of 1 to 5 with ultra strong hold, frizz protection by Garnier. This stuff is amazing. And then these are the products that I also use. So I use this after I straighten it, and then I like to blend these two together and put it on my hair before I straighten it. And then before I do any of that, I spray the dry shampoo on my hair, comb it out, and then I apply these two mixed together because this is wet obviously, but this is the Argan oil, and then this is, oh, it also has moringa oil, and then this is the Garnier Fructis style flat iron Perfector straightening mist, 450 Fahrenheit heat protection, 48-hour straight finish with argan oil from Morocco. And then this is a number 1 on 1 to 5 hold. So I mix these together and then I'll straighten it, and then after I straighten it, then I will go ahead and do what I just showed you guys. And then yeah, I don't mind if it waves up, but yesterday it definitely curled up. If you guys want to see what my hair looked like at the end of the day yesterday, go on my Instagram and you'll see I posted some pictures I took last night and it looks pretty, but yeah, you can see like it was like frizzed up. I hope that you guys liked my video. I really enjoyed making it for you. Go ahead and leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. All of those links will be down below, and I'll see y'all in the next video.